Good afternoon, my name is Dayan Forero. Today I will tell you about the visit to Magical St. Peter Park with my family. My family and have visited the Magical St. Peter Park. I played different games, but nothing compared to the attractions seen here. Although we have not found time to attend previously, we have enjoyed every moment on this site. We have found high impact attractions you have changed your mind about the level of extreme adrenaline you can feel. We find the pirate ship, super shot, and centros. In the park we have all experienced the emotions, dance,